along with getting rid of donations when you are preparing to move, I try to encourage all my clients to take advantage of the free resources that are available for them to get rid of donations. So a lot of charities, churches will come pick up donations from your home for you if you have a decent amount of things, or if you have larger items like furniture. A lot of charities would love to have those donations, and they will actually come to your home and pick them up for you, which saves you time and money when you already have a lot going on preparing to move. If you can take advantage of the bulk waste pickup, so get rid of anything that's not in good enough quality to donate, try to get rid of that stuff free if you can. Also, you don't have to load up your car multiple times to make runs to Goodwill or to charities. So I think that's always a valuable use of your time, to look into those resources in your city and use them to your advantage, because a lot of them are free.